Good morning, Smart Money Followers. Well, it's nice move out of this accumulation on Aussie dollar this morning. I'm going to keep an eye on that because we might want to get a bounce on that when it comes back and retests it. Excuse me. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on that one. I can put alert on now. We can put alert on, can't we? We don't have to. Um, I'll wait later. We'll look at it on daily. It's respecting that sort of dipping under this daily 200 EMA, and then it pushed to the upside. So I think there's um, more upside potential than that. And this time of year, Aussie dollar does normally increase in strength. So that's yeah, October, November, December last year pushed up. So what's the Aussie dollar, US dollar? Um, US euro dollar. I'm not sure what to do with that at the moment. Leave that. Pound dollar. I'm not really feeling that. Kiwi dollar. If that it's got a gentle upward trajectory. It's highly likely if Aussie dollar goes stronger, that Kiwi will follow it. So it's just a bit messy um when we look at Zippy on that when it tidies itself up a bit and gets a bit steeper angle. USD CAD. So this is currently on some support here, isn't it? And then we've got the 4 hour 200. Keep an eye on that. If that breaks through that and comes back, I might look for some shorts and lower time frame. USD Swiss, not interested in that. Just going back to that USD CAD. I'm going to put Toby alert on that in preparation for a pullback. USD Swiss, I'm not really interested in that. USD Yen, rejected at this previous high, or showing signs of rejecting its previous high. Uh, don't want to do anything with it yet. Let's see how it behaves, see if it's pulling back and carrying on, or is it peeling over? Oz. I'm not really interested in that at the moment. What's going on? Looks like it's gonna um, drop to the downside. I mean, look at that market open gap. So market closes there on Friday, and then it's opened here this morning, and that bar's um, gone bullish immediately to cover that gap. So yeah, I feel inclined to do something with that. And so for now, I'm going to put both bounce alert and zippy alert on, because it could just go into one of these, into a zippy kind of momentum. Um, where we're getting fair value momentum down, bouncing off the 8 EMA, or it may come back to the 20 because they've just crossed. So let's, I'm going to put both alerts on that. Euro card. You know what might be a trend line break. There is definitely a kind of where I had that line. You get these liquidity sweeps that come beyond the trend line because liquidity all along trend lines. That's why they do what they do. So we might have just missed that one. Uh, in Friday afternoon. Yeah, so um, well, let's see where it goes from here. Because we see if it breaks through the daily 50. It's just gone through the 4 hour 200. Or maybe if it moves to downside, we'll trade some cycles down. So just want to keep an eye on for now. I think Euro Swiss. I'm not really interested in that. Neither the Euro pound. Euro Kiwi. Wait for it to get beyond this 4 hour 200 if it's continuing, if it's going to the downside. Pound Oz. I'm going to put bounce alert on that. So we've had this move to the downside. I think there's a lot of downside potential on that. So Pound Oz bounce alert. I'm kind of not really interested in that moment. Pound Swiss, I'm interested. Pound Kiwi. Want to keep an eye out. I prefer the Pound Oz. Aussie yen. Still moving to the upside. A beautiful trendline break on that last Monday. Sniper entry there. Yeah, still moving nicely. But that's a beautiful example of trendline break. Spoke about in the yesterday's Sunday session. So if you want to go over that, you'll find that in the recording. Yesterday's Sunday week ahead roadmap and review. And what do we do with it now? Eh, well, it definitely needs to have a pullback, doesn't it? So I think maybe just a bounce alert for now. So I expect a pullback maybe to 20, and then I'll give us his bounce alerts, and then it'll give us a bounce alert one, and then we're looking for alert two when trend moves back in the resumes direction. Yeah, bearing in mind we need to keep an eye on these. What like USD yen is doing, is CAD yen is doing similar. Um, I'm just going to leave my Aussie bounce alert on. I'm going to monitor the others, CAD yen, Swiss yen. Look at that. Let's have bounce alert on that. We had a bounce in that last week. Let's have a look. It's got on the EMAs, but oh, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, that would have been nice. Miss that, guys. Anyway, put a bounce alert on it. Mm, leave them two. Aussie CAD, not interested. Aussie Swiss, um, not really interested in that. Aussie Kiwi, not interested. CAD Swiss, not interested. No, no, no. Gold, not doing much. Um, got quite a bit of US news coming out. Um, I'm not interested while it's just tightening up in this range. UK 100 is stonking away nicely. Those are having a little push again. Um, so there we are. So Toby alerter on 5 minute on USD CAD. Um, Bounce alert, Aussie dollar, bounce alert, euro, Oz, pound Oz, Aussie yen, Swiss yen, euro yen, and zippy alert on euro Oz. Now, if you guys, if you'd love to know more about the strategies, um, then shoot us an email to support@smartmoneyfollowers.co.uk. If you're interested in using the strategies, thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.